Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to do the Oppo A1K screen replacement and do a screen glass and also a case or cover. So that's our new screen. This is our phone, the bad screen. We're going to replace that with this new one. So that's the case, Oppo A1K. Yeah, we're good to go. So we first disassemble the phone, remove the screws and remove the bad screen, then clean all the areas with the previous glue. Ensure it is clean properly. Scratch well those edges, remove every bit of glue so that this new glue can settle in well. Now afterwards, apply the new glue. I use clear. It works well for me, although black also is really nice. So do the glue perfectly all around the phone, just like that. Then ensure you close your glue. Now take your new screen and remove the stickers so that it can stick properly. Place it in its place, clip it in, now get the battery and place the battery and clip it in. Start the phone to see if the screen is showing. Yeah, it's displaying, so that's a good sign, but I had already tested it when I got it, so I was sure it was working. Yeah, do a simple test and there you're good to go. Now time to put the glass protector, the 3D glass protector. There it is. Yeah, peel it out. There you go. Peel it out and place it.